Why are modern turbocharged engines destroying themselves through low-speed pre-ignition, and which synthetic oils are specifically formulated to prevent this catastrophic failure mode? If you drive a turbocharged engine from the last 5 to 10 years, Chevy Silverado, Honda 1.5T, VW TSI, or BMW turbo engines, you need to understand LSPI and why using the wrong oil can lead to engine destruction before 80,000 miles. After over 10 years diagnosing engine failures, I'm going to show you exactly what LSPI is and which 8 oils are engineered to prevent it. This isn't about brand preference. This is about chemistry that stops catastrophic damage. Hit that subscribe button right now for real facts. First, let's understand what low-speed pre-ignition actually is, because this failure mode didn't exist in older naturally aspirated engines. LSPI occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites before the spark plug fires. This creates a secondary flame front that collides with normal combustion. The collision creates extreme pressure spikes, sometimes exceeding 2000 psi, which can instantly damage pistons or bend connecting rods. LSPI happens primarily at low RPM under high load, like when you're cruising at 1,500 to 2,500 RPM and the turbo boosts to accelerate. It's random. You can drive for months with no problem, then experience a single LSPI event that destroys the engine entirely. Research revealed that certain oil formulations contributed to LSPI by creating droplets in the combustion chamber that acted as ignition sources. If oil contains high calcium-based detergent additives, these droplets can auto-ignite. The industry responded with new APISN Plus and APISP specifications. Number 8. Mobile 1 Extended Performance. This oil reformulated to meet APISP specs, reducing calcium levels to prevent pre-ignition events. I've seen engines running this oil reach 150,000 miles without LSPI damage. It's a solid choice for proven protection at a reasonable price. Number 7. ELF Evolution Full Tech. Specifically made for modern European engines, focusing on synthetic technology like Group 4 POW and Group V esters. Its low SAPS chemistry is vital for protecting sensitive emission systems like diesel particulate filters found in the latest European vehicles. Number 6. Royal Purple HPS Series. Known for its Cinerlec additive technology, it creates an incredibly high film strength to protect metal parts. This chemistry drastically reduces metal-on-metal wear. It's a serious contender for anyone who likes to push their turbocharged engine to the limit. Alright, we're halfway through. I've got to ask, what oil are you running in your car right now? Is this list making you second-guess that choice? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Now let's get back to it. Number 5. AmSoil Signature Series. AmSoil reformulated Signature Series to meet APISP specifications with enhanced LSPI protection. Their Group 4 POW-based stocks combined with carefully balanced additive chemistry provide superior protection against pre-ignition events. AmSoil's testing includes specific LSPI prevention protocols, and the oil is rated for extended drain intervals of up to 25,000 miles or 1 year. For turbocharged engines, I recommend more conservative intervals, 10,000 to 12,000 miles maximum, to ensure optimal protection. AmSoil Signature Series costs more, $12 to $14 per quart, but you're getting genuine PO chemistry with robust LSPI protection. If you want maximum protection and you're willing to pay for it, AmSoil delivers. Number 4. Redline Synthetic Oil. For years, Redline has been the oil of choice for racers, tuners, and enthusiasts. Redline's entire philosophy is built on using the absolute best base stocks, a powerful cocktail of Group 4 POW and Group V esters. That high ester content is Redline's calling card. Remember how esters are polar and stick to metal? Redline leverages this to create an incredibly strong adhesive oil film on every internal surface. This provides unmatched protection during cold starts and under the brutal boundary lubrication conditions of a race engine. The result is superior lubricity and rock-solid stability at high temperatures. Redline is easy to find across Europe and comes in a wide range of viscosities to meet specific manufacturer requirements. It's not cheap, but you're paying for chemistry without compromise. For high-performance or track day cars, few oils offer this level of protection. Number 3. Motul 8100 and 300 volts series. Coming out of France, Motul is another brand with a legendary reputation forged in motorsports. They were pioneers in using ester technology, and their best oils are a direct reflection of that racing DNA. The 8100 series is a 100% synthetic formula based on PO and esters, specifically designed to meet the tough demands of European automakers. Products like the 8100 X-Clean are perfect for modern gas and diesel engines with sensitive emissions gear. Motul is incredibly transparent, providing data sheets that clearly show their synthetic base and how they stack up against industry standards. And for those who want the absolute pinnacle of performance, Model's 300 volts line is their track-focused ester core technology. While it's often considered a racing oil, it shows what's possible with lubricant chemistry. The 8100 series brings that quality to the street. Number 2. Ravenol. Our runner-up is a German powerhouse that has become a benchmark for quality and precision, Ravenol. In Germany, the label Vollsynthetisch is legally protected and can only be used on oils made from PO stocks. Ravenol proudly puts this on their top-tier products, so there's zero doubt about the quality of their base oil. Ravenol's POW-based oils, which feature their unique USVO technology, are engineered for extreme viscosity stability. This means the oil refuses to shear and thin out under intense heat and stress, maintaining a protective film at all times. Their formulations are absolutely packed with approvals from every major German car manufacturer. They are especially known for keeping engines incredibly clean and providing exceptional wear protection. For anyone with a modern German engine, using Ravenol gives you confidence that it's engineered to the same standards as the car itself. Number 1. Liqui Moly, Synth Oil, and Top Tech. The number 1 real synthetic oil your European engine needs is another titan of German engineering, Liqui Moly. They clinch number 1 because of their undisputed quality, variety of specific formulas, and ironclad brand reputation. Liqui Moly has several product lines, but when you want true synthetic performance, you go for their Synth Oil range. This is their premier 100% Group 4 POW and Group V ester-based line, designed for the absolute highest level of protection. Their popular Top Tech line is a synthetic technology oil, blended to meet the strictest modern approvals, like long drain intervals and DPF safety. Liqui Moly's strength lies in robust additive packages, which often include friction modifiers like molybdenum disulfide, further reducing wear. By offering both a no-compromise full POW line with synth oil and a highly advanced, OM-approved synthetic line with Top Tech, Liqui Moly has something for every single European car owner. Their die-hard commitment to German quality and proven performance in the most demanding engines makes them our number 1 pick. Now let's talk about what makes these oils different from older formulations that contributed to LSPI. The key change is in the detergent additive package. Older oils used high levels of calcium-based detergents, calcium sulfonates, to keep engines clean and neutralize acids. These calcium compounds are effective cleaners, but research showed they increase LSPI risk in turbocharged direct injection engines. APISP certified oils reduce calcium detergent levels and supplement with alternative cleaning additives like magnesium-based detergents. The formulations are specifically tested in engines prone to LSPI to verify they meet protection standards. Additionally, these oils use friction modifiers and anti-wear additives that reduce the likelihood of oil droplets entering the combustion chamber. Here's what you need to know if you drive a turbocharged engine. First, always use oil that meets APISP specifications or higher. Check the API donut on the oil bottle. It should say APISP or APISP resource conserving. Do not use older APISN oils. Second, change oil on conservative intervals. I recommend 7,500 miles maximum for turbocharged engines, even with long-life synthetics. Turbocharged engines operate under higher stress and tongue. Fresh oil with full additive potency provides maximum LSPI protection. Third, use the viscosity grade specified by your manufacturer. Modern turbocharged engines are designed for OW20, 5W20, or 5W30. Fourth, maintain your PCV system. A malfunctioning PCV valve pushes more oil into the combustion chamber, increasing LSPI risk. Fifth, avoid lugging the engine. LSPI occurs most frequently at low RPM under high load. Downshift to raise RPM above 2,500. Let me give you a real-world example. A customer brought me a 2017 Chevy Silverado where the piston was completely destroyed, the crown was cracked, and the connecting rod was bent. He'd been using a budget synthetic with older PISN certification. Compare that to a Ford F-150 with 150,000 miles. He used a PISP certified oil since new, and the engine runs perfectly strong. Choosing the right oil is an investment in your engine's health. It's the difference between an engine that survives and one that thrives. Understand the chemistry and give your engine the protection it deserves. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.